Okay, so for this recording, we're going to be looking at map scale. There's a few things you need to know about this before we start. So you need to be good with your conversions for metric units for distances. So 1 kilometre, how many metres do you think is in a kilometre? Yeah, well done if you decided it was 1,000. And then 1 metre is how many centimetres? It is 100. It might be worth, there is a recording revision video on converting metric units. It might be worth having a look at that if you're unsure. Okay, so when you're given a map scale in a ratio, it always means if it's 1 like this to 20,000, it means 1 centimetre on the map represents 20,000 centimetres in real life. So I'm just going to write that down. 1 centimetre map equals 20,000 centimetres real life. Okay, so it says 2 towns are 3 centimetres apart on the map. How far apart are they in real life? Answer in metres. Okay, so I'm going to use this conversion, 1 centimetre to 20,000 centimetres, 3 centimetres on the apart on the map. So that's 3. So I think about using this as like proportion almost. What do you times this by to get this? 3. So what we're going to times this by? 3. This times 3, 60,000. Don't forget to keep your units in its centimetres, isn't it? 60,000 centimetres. Now, so 3 centimetres on the map is 60,000 centimetres in real life, but they want their answer in metres. How do we convert centimetres to metres? We divide it by 100. Okay, so we need to divide this by 100, so it's 600 metres. Okay, it says 2 towns are 1,200 metres apart in real life. How far apart are they on the map? Okay, so let me write my conversion again. 1 centimetre on the map, 20,000 centimetres real life. Now, we need to get our units consistent first. This is in metres. We need to be able to have it in centimetres. So how do you convert metres to centimetres? Times it by 100. So 1,200 centimetres times it by 100, 120,000 centimetres. So this time we know the real life distance. So I'm going to put this information in. So it's working out here. What do we times this by to get this? To work that out, we do 120,000 divided by 20,000. Just put that here as a working out. So 120,000 divided by 20,000. Six. You can just check. You might want to check if that's correct, if you've done the division correctly. Let's think 20,000 times 6 is this. That's correct. Because you times that by 6, we times this by 6. How far apart are they on the map? You can see they're 6 centimetres. Okay, so I'm going to give you some questions to look at now. So once you've done them, here they are. Put me on pause and have a go at answering them. Let me just see how many questions I've got. This one. Oh, right, okay, I've got these. I've got 2 sets. So we'll do these. Put me on pause, unpause when you're done, and we'll do the same with the next set. Okay, so this is our conversion. 1 centimetre map. 50,000 centimetres real life. Okay, what are we told? We're told two villages are 3 centimetres apart on the map. How far apart are they in the real world in meters? So this is 3 centimetres on the map. How do you get from 1 to 3? Times by 3. So we've got to times this side by 3, which gives us 150,000 centimetres. We want the answer in meters though, don't we? So think about our conversions again. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. To get from centimeters to meters, dividing by 100, so 1,500 meters. Oh, we had a kilometres one here. So B City is 2.5 kilometres away from the coast. How far away from the coast is it on the map? So again, let's write our conversion. Map, real life. 1 centimetre, 50,000 centimetres. Now, this time we've got our distance in kilometres. So we need to get it into centimetres, don't we? So we know 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres. So we need to convert this into metres first. So we're going to times it by 1,000. 2.5 times 1,000, 2,500 metres. That's in metres, but we need it in centimetres. So now from metres to centimetres, it's times 100. So we need to times our 2,500 by 100 to get 250,000 centimetres. Now we're thinking about what do we times this by to get this? So we do our division, don't we? 250,000 divided by 50,000 gives us 5. So we times in this side by 5, we're times in this side by 5, so it's 5 centimetres. The answer, 5 centimetres. Okay, have a go at these two, please, and then we will look at your answers. Put me on pause and pause when you're finished. 1 centimetre on the map. ,4,000 centimetres real life. On the map, the distance between 2 houses is 9 centimetres. What is the actual distance between the houses? Give your answer in metres. Times 9 times 9. Times this by 9, we get 36,000 centimetres. Want our answer in metres. 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So we're dividing this by 100 to get into metres, so 360. 2 villages are 2 kilometres apart in real life. How far apart are they in metres? Okay, so map, real life. Right now, let's just be careful here. We want that into centimetres. Sorry, excuse me, times it by 1,000 first to get it into metres. And then we're timesing it by 100 to get it into centimetres. So we've got 200,000 centimetres. So here we're working out, well, what do you times 4,000 by to get 200,000? So hopefully you remember to divide them to see. So it's 50. 200,000 divided by 4,000 is 50. So we're going to times that by 50. Quite a big map we've got here, 50 centimetres. Oh, we want it in metres though, don't we? Hang on. Okay, I think that's probably meant to say centimetres that. But if we did want that in metres, 50 centimetres is half a metre, isn't it? So 0.5 metres. Okay, we've got a scale drawing. A scale drawing has a scale of 1 to 20. So again, 1 centimetre on the map, or this is on the scale, but we can call it the map, is 20 centimetres in real life. Now, in real life, the length of a boat is 150 meters. We want that in centimeters, so we're going to times it by 100. We know the real life value, so I'm going to put it here. So here, what do we times 20 by to get 15,000, sorry? Divide it by 20, 750. So we're timesing that by 750. Okay, well then if you got those right, and thanks for listening.